Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Keyboard King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. And if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. And here in the video settings again, we've got the video size for the back camera. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see, we've got three different sets which we can use. So the FHD 1080p, which is currently applied, HD and SD. Totally up to you which option you prefer. Simply tap on the one you'd like to apply. Let me choose SD, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.